This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the bonnet slightly, depress the release catch, then fully open the bonnet. Unclip the support strut from the front panel and engage the end with the hole in the underside of the bonnet. Disengage the support strut from the bonnet underside and clip it back into place on the front panel. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.